What's shaking, everybody? Good morning, good morning. How we doing? Cool. So, as far as yesterday, basically what I said to watch was, hold on, like that whole watch list printed yesterday. Anyways, yesterday I said to watch Goldman Sachs, looking for a break above 410.28 for a possible push to 412.79, 415.39, 420.75. If we go on over to Goldman Sachs, we can see that it ran all the way to that first price target. It fell like 12 cents short, 13 cents short. At the end of the day, still a nice little $2 move. You guys were able to catch that there. We know how $2 is in the options world. So that was a printer. Also told you guys to watch Roku yesterday. So looking for a break below 212.4 for possible puts. Broke 1 hour bear flag yesterday and broke below the consolidation channel. Looking for a drop to 208, then 205.17. Looking at Roku, you can see this thing got railed. So this thing dropped all the way down to 195.82. So just insane. And then I said to watch GM, so GM never gave me an entry. It came down like 12 cents short of my bounce level. If it does that and it keeps bouncing, therefore the bounce is basically going to be invalidated. And then the final one was AMD, interested in puts below 142.8. Price target will be 141.75, 140.89, 139.39, and then 138.42. AMD. This thing got railed. So, beautiful. Went straight to that first price target, or well, no, the second price target within the first 10 minutes. So, very quick trade right there. Anyways, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated, as well as clicking that subscribe button. I'm currently at 14.5K, so we're getting close to that 15K, baby. Anyways, yes, let's make a list for today. Let's see. My big trade was on the SPY yesterday. Uncle Savage does not miss with those SPY levels. Dude is a genius. Anyways, let's see. 1 hour, 4 hour daily, 5 minute, 10 minute. Cool. Go to the weekly watch list. Priority week. Start at the top. Apple. Actually, hold on. I gotta look at the futures. Getting a 30-minute inverse head and shoulders on the futures. Why is it doing this? Like 42.78 or 47.28, my bad. If it breaks out, I still think the Dow looks the strongest. Let's see. Might be a weird day to trade. Apple puts below there. Good morning. Apple. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. AMD not too interested in. I'd like to look at some possible Boeing calls. I mean, SPY's in a 30-minute inverse head and shoulders, so we might see a pop today. Bank of America, I'd have to buy like 200 contracts to trade this, so we'll look at some other banks. SQQQ or SNN 3Qs goes down when the market goes down. I think it's Baba time, maybe. Yes, sir. Those 58 puts. If it can hold and not like go stupid, then we will trade some beyond puts. Let's see, the metals are up today. Costco. Bear flagging on the 1 hour. Broke that trend line. Closed below the daily 21 EMA. Spreads are terrible. Forget that. That crowd. I completely forgot about crowd. Like, I just never traded it. This was in Sunday's video. Watch for a break below the bear flags, down 25 points. Craziness. No, Fastly filled the gap yesterday. Oh well. Your Indian market was looking so good too. We'll come back to Fastly. Let's see. Gold got nailed. Kimberly Clark was looking at that. Too late. PayPal. Look for some puts below here. Boom. Puts below 180, 185.68. PayPal. Plus the squeezing on the daily. That actually looks really good. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Honestly, I'd be interested with what's below 195. Raku. So, I'm so pissed because yesterday I was thinking about swinging Tesla, but the market got hit so hard that I didn't know if it was going to rebound. So I was going to wait till the end of the day to put the swing on because there was a massive gap that had to fill. And it did it well before the end of the day. Kind of upset about that. But we can look for puts below 1066.3. And also, today is Wednesday. Do we have any economic news? Today is Wednesday, right? No, today's Thursday. But yeah, we got jobless claims in 4 minutes, continuing claims. And then we got another Fed speaker today at 1:15. So. Morning, K-Bob. Got it in 4 minutes. So, we kind of got to wait for the jobless claims. We can keep looking, but a lot of stuff might get invalidated. XLU, we're still in that swing trade. That thing's starting to irritate me. Let's Let's see, Affirm. I mean, Affirm still has to fill a gap down to, I mean, it's got this huge gap it needs to fill. So fill most of it. I think it might fill the rest. We shall see. Affirm puts. Did we? I think we looked at AMD. Yeah, I'm not too interested in AMD. We looked at Boeing. Baba might be good for calls. If that's true, then Baidu's gonna be good. Baba. Baidu. I guess not. What's good? What's good? Go to Costco, Facebook. I don't like how it dropped so much. If it would have just stayed in that range, I would have liked it. Goldman above 402.5. And we get job numbers in 1 minute. So, I have to take you guys off the screen real quick. You gotta make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 192 people in here, 111 likes. Make sure that you guys are clicking that like button. You got 10 seconds till it drops. In the meantime,
bing bang.
There we go, baby. There. All right, 8:30. Oh my God. Waiting for it. Why's it taking them so long to post it? Usually like almost instantly. We'll just look at the futures. Am I going insane? Is there not job numbers today? There we go. Jobless claims 207,000, expectation 195,000, continuing claims 1.754 million, expectation 1.68 million. So, good old miss. This is how you get kicked out of the stream, my guy. This should validate a lot of our puts, hopefully. Alright, I'm gonna stick with my plan. Goldman Sachs, look for calls. Mo said not interested. I follow Zero Hedge on Twitter. He's usually pretty quick too. Wow, Microsoft got destroyed. Sheesh. Look for some puts on this bad boy. Microsoft. You talking about this gap fill on Nvidia? Somebody kept asking about Nvidia. If it breaks below 271.45, you can watch it for puts. Not entirely interested until it does. Pfizer. Not interested. Good morning. I think we got PayPal. Yep, we got PayPal on the list already. Qualcomm, not interested. Got Roku. SQ's been getting hammered. That's at 52-week lows. We'll throw this on the list for now. SQ. We looked at Tesla. TTD, I believe, is going for the gap fill. I'd be interested in TTD below yesterday's low. TTD. And I don't trade UPST anymore. A couple other names real quick. General Motors. Grizzly's about to get me on this small account trading. I just said that really weird. Small account trading. You always be putting out some bangers for the small accounts. So, let's narrow this list. We got a pretty big list. Apple, Boeing, Beyond, Fastly, PayPal, Roku, Tesla, Affirm, Baba, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, SQ, and TTD. And a majority of them are going to be to the downside. So, I will be interested to see how the market plays out today. Could be a hit or miss. Or we could break this inverse head and shoulders and go crazy. We shall see. Alright, let's narrow the list. Apple. Come back to that one. Why does Boeing do this every time? Literally every time. It can never just relax in the pre-market. It always has to be doing something. Look for some Beyond puts. I have an entire video on how I do my my support and resistance on my channel. Let's see. Why do these bots keep joining the live stream? Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. This is gonna take you, it looks like this one will take you to the trend line, break below there, we can definitely go lower. Cool. I would like to watch PayPal puts. Yes, morning reminder, like the video. If it's not on the list, I will not be looking at it. The list is already made. There's no need to type anything in the chat asking me to look at it because it is already, the list is already made. I will not be changing it. So, PayPal looking very weak. If they continue to pull the market, I will be looking for puts. Watch for a break below 185.68 for a continuation to the downside. Price target will be 184.75. Trend line 183.75, 182.5. Yeah, if you would like to see the SpongeBob dancing, you need to click the like button and click that subscribe button. There you go. Love it. We're almost at 15K. Literally so close. I can't tell you guys how bad I want to get 15K subscribers. There you go. Alright, so I like that PayPal. We'll keep that on the list. And then Raku. We'll come back to Roku. You want a horn? There you go. Tesla. Come back to that one. Affirm. Come back to Affirm. I like the possibility for a gap fill on Affirm. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. How did this happen? That's my goal. Be the #1 trader on YouTube. Let's see. So I like Baba. I like Affirm. GS. No, Ford is too cheap for me to trade. I would have to buy way too many contracts. Ah, Microsoft's got a little gap to fill. Oops. Gap. Cool, so Microsoft to the downside's got that daily gap it needs to fill. Microsoft, same thing, looking weak. Interested in puts if the market pulls below 314.53. We have a gap to fill to 312.4 and 309.50. Cool. Yeah, but I'm not trying to buy like 100 contracts on Ford. 100, even 150, maybe even 200. That's just not even worth it. So, Microsoft, we got that. Let's see, SQ, it's dropping too much. So we're gonna take SQ off of the list. And TTD. Very interested in this gap fill. We'll come back to that one. And then we'll go back to the top of the list, start eliminating. We got 2 stocks so far to watch for the day. If you guys want, if the market pulls, you can watch Apple below 172.87. I, however, hate this stock, so we are not going to put it on the list. And then we got 259 people in here and only 184 likes. So again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. So let's see. Boeing broke that inverse head and shoulders, made it support yesterday. I just don't like how it keeps doing this in the pre-market. So we will see what Boeing does. Beyond. Why did I end up taking Baba off the list? Come back to Beyond. Let's see, we'll come back to that. Baba. Possible scalp on Baba to the upside. Take Beyond off. Let's see, take pass it off. Market's not even open yet, though. The spreads will narrow, especially on something like Microsoft. Let's see, if you want, you can watch Roku below 195. Take that off the list. Tesla. Might end up watching some puts today. See. And back at a firm. Alright, so I actually kind of like the TTD gap fill more. Just depends which one will have more liquidity. So a firm, the 75 puts have liquidity. And then with, what was it, TTD, not as much liquidity right now. Look at that, mama. So Baba looking for a break above what is that, 124.6? Yeah, 124.6 for a continuation. 4-hour bull flag breakout, and shares are up in Hong Kong. Price target will be 25.27, 126.62, then 127.68. Cool. So I got 3 names right now. I'm probably going to get one more a little closer to market open. I kind of want to see what Affirm and hold on. I want to see what Affirm and what was the other one, TTD, do in the pre-market. Those are the 2 that I'm interested in for possible puts to the downside because they have gaps that need to fill. But as of now, I have these 3. Let's see, so there's that. And then, other than that, real quick, me, GD, and Grizzly, our mentorship is starting in 4 days. So on Monday, basically me, GD, and Grizzly are going to be doing a huge mentorship group. It's going to be like a month and a half, 2 months long, depending, how much we teach per class. But yeah, so if you guys want to hop in that, or if you guys need any more information, here's the website for that. And then if you have any questions, just send me a DM on Instagram. Make sure it's to my real account, and don't go message a scammer, because if you send them Bitcoin, you will not be getting Bitcoin back. So the only way that I take any type of transaction is probably through PayPal. And that website, of course, if you guys sign up for the mentorship. But, yeah, so if you guys want to hop in, there's a link for that. If you guys want to join the Discord, go to my Instagram and click the link in my bio there. You get 50% off your first month plus 2 free trial days. So if you join today, Thursday, Friday are free. And yeah, so that's going to be everything I'm going to be watching today. Hopefully everybody has an amazing day. If you guys make money off of the watch list, feel free to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. But other than that, I will be live tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody take it easy, and I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace out.